English Made Easy. The distributive property in multiplication. Hello and welcome to another episode of English Made Easy. Today, we're going to delve into an important topic in basic mathematics, the distributive property in multiplication. Don't worry, we'll break it down together, making it easy and fun to learn. Before we talk about the distributive property, let's take a quick look at what multiplication is. Multiplication is a way of adding the same number multiple times. For example, 3 multiplied by 4, 3 by 4, means you are adding the number 3 4 times. So, 3 by 4 is the same as 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which equals 12. Now, let's introduce the concept of the distributive property. In simple terms, it means you can distribute, or spread out, multiplication over addition or subtraction. Here's a basic formula. ax b plus c equals axb plus axc. If this seems tricky, don't worry. We'll go through an example together. Imagine you have 2 groups of apples, each group containing 3 red apples and 4 green apples. So, you could calculate the total number of apples as 2x, 3 plus 4. According to the distributive property, you can also calculate it as 2 by 3, for the red apples, plus 2 by 4, for the green apples. In both cases, you'll find that you have 14 apples. That's the distributive property in action. You may wonder, why is the distributive property important? Well, it's a fundamental property of numbers and arithmetic, and it can make complex calculations much easier. For example, if you need to multiply 7 by 15, that might be difficult. But using the distributive property, you can break it down. 7 by 15 becomes 7x, 10 plus 5, which equals 7 by 10 plus 7 by 5, which is 70 plus 35, or 105. See, it's much easier. And that's it for today's lesson on the distributive property in multiplication. I hope that this video has made this concept more accessible and easy to understand. Remember, math is like a language, and just like English, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing and you'll master these concepts in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode of English Made Easy.